So project today should be hopefully very simple, but famous last words. We're gonna stain these front doors with a gel stain. We already actually did the front doors a while ago, or the front of the door, and so that's how it came out, and we think they look real nice. So we're gonna just do it so it looks like that. I do have to do some touching up down there on the corner, but that's gonna be hopefully what the final look is for our two doors. So first step done, wiped them down with a damp cloth, got all the dust off. Next is to tape and prep.
Let me put this up. I don't tangle it.
It's okay, you can still use it.
Okay, taping job seems to be complete, so that we can, we're just doing this by hand, so it's not like we're spraying. What we got is this gel stain from Minwax. That's the color that we're gonna use, and
Making a mess.
Daddy's making a mess, but luckily we're in the garage, so we can do that. So I've gathered all my supplies. I've got the blue tape, I got my step ladder, I got some cheesecloth for wiping down, plastic gloves, my paintbrush, the stain, and a stirrer. And so I'm gonna be ready to, the directions say you're to apply it and let it sit for a couple minutes and then wipe it down and keep applying coats until it reaches the color that you wish. Okay, this is our first coat, and my husband said yes, he definitely wants a second coat, so we're gonna let that dry, and I'll come back and do the next coat, see how that looks. Took me about almost exactly an hour. Okay, I'm going to go for the second coat. This is how it dried. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go for the second coat.
The one right next to it too. Yep, you got it. That one right there. And then this middle board. Well, that might just be, no, it's lighter. This one here.
Lighter?
Right there. Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
A little bit more like this one.
hills.
All right, taking off the tape.
Taking off the tape. It's still probably not dry all the way, but good enough to take the tape off anyway, I think. So I
Yep.
can revel in
Small wins.
what happened. So there is our finished product. I'm liking it. It's still probably a little damp, but it's good enough. It was good enough to pull the tape off and better than what was there prior.